because dental curing is not allowed in the insurance. Whoever working in Dubai, they have the medical insurance from the government. If they have the medical insurance, then dental curing is not allowed. If the dental curing is not allowed, if you visit a dentist in Dubai, then dentists have the right to charge you on his own will. No fixed charges, okay? So definitely he's going to charge you more, of course, to make more profit. Is it clear? Okay. So once we move further down, you will find more and more dental clinics. Such an expensive, guys. One of the famous saying in Dubai, guys, if you ever have the chance to meet a dentist in Dubai, anytime, dentist will give you a big smile, but after the treatment, you won't smile again. Can you imagine? That much expensive. So as we approach further down, every local ladies want to be a dentist here. So it's a better job for the local ladies. Then there is a Lamir section here where there is a flagpole here. Mer means beach in French. So you can access this beach as well. But we are going for the Jumeirah beach because Jumeirah beach, there is a Burj Al Arab nearby. Okay, so we can have some nice pictures there. These animals to the world biggest safari, indoor safari. Once you ride in the safari, these animals will chase your buggy. Okay, they kept these animals free in the safari, Dubai Safari Project. Smile Dental Clinic. Smile meaning is dental. Remember, American dental. After that, prestigious Smile is also joining us. So a lot of dental everywhere. Left side is a lot of clinics. Here we're going to cross a traffic signal. There is on the left side of us, you can see there is a Mercato Mall. Mercato meaning is market in Italian language. Italian people calling that place as to be the Stiamo Lugar Romantico Posto, means very romantic place. If you go inside H&M, Shake Shack, Toy Store, everything